Skills Canada Newfoundland and Labrador delivers Skill Futures events throughout the year for intermediate and secondary level students across our province. A Skill Futures event would feature a series of interactive workshops created by experts that aim to educate, immerse, and inspire students of all skill sets about career opportunities. This year, we are ensuring these events can be accessible online through virtual video content, take-home making at-home activities, or even mentoring opportunities. SCNL also offers Skills Work for Women events to young women looking to explore careers in the skilled trade and technology sectors. Participants learn about rewarding career opportunities in the skilled trade sector through various events that are structured differently using demonstrations, mentoring opportunities, and information on skilled trades and technologies. The Skill Futures program is made possible through the funding support from the Provincial Government. Please contact Rebecca at rebeccal@skillscanada.com for more information on any of our Skill Futures programs.